A few years ago, I was doing some research at the Princeton Seminary Archives and Library, and as I was looking through some boxes of old notes, I found a series of handwritten manuscripts by Charles Hodge, which turned out to be notes for a commentary on the book of Hebrews, never published before. And so, getting in touch with the Banner of Truth, we pursued this project to bring to print a commentary that has never before been printed, Charles Hodge on the book of Hebrews. And along with that, in the archives, I found a number of sermons, also never published. And the beauty of those two collections have been brought together in this book, Charles Hodge's Exegetical Lectures and Sermons on the book of Hebrews. Hodge's commentary is his classic style. It's simple, it's clear, exegetical, works through the text. And then his sermons really flesh out and bring to life what he's been doing in his exegetical work. And so together, it's a wonderful package that really points us to our Lord Jesus Christ, as the book of Hebrews does. And I greatly encourage you to find a copy, to read it, and to enjoy it. I think it'll be a tremendous blessing for you.